Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into an essential component often used in the gas burner industry, the Siemens SQM10 servo motor. We'll discuss its specifications, applications, and the role it plays in gas control systems. Let's start by understanding what the Siemens SQM10 servo motor is. Siemens, a globally renowned German brand, is known for producing high-quality components for industrial applications, and the SQM10 is no exception. This servo motor is specifically designed to be used in gas burner systems, where it helps control the flow of gas. Due to its precise control capabilities, it ensures both safety and efficiency in operations. Now, let's take a closer look at the technical specifications that make the SQM10 servo motor unique. This motor operates at an impressive 42 seconds per 130 degrees with a maximum torque of 10 Newton meters. This gives it substantial power and control, making it suitable for industrial applications where precise movements are crucial. Moving on to electrical requirements, the motor operates on a voltage range of 220 to 240 volts with a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz and a power consumption of around 9 volt-amperes. These specifications make it compatible with standard electrical systems, particularly in commercial and industrial settings. Another key specification is its weight, which stands at about 1.771 kilograms, making it relatively compact and easy to handle for its level of functionality. The SQM10 servo motor is manufactured in Germany, a country renowned for its engineering precision and stringent quality standards. So, where is the Siemens SQM10 servo motor typically used? As mentioned, this motor is an integral component in gas burner systems. These systems are commonly found in large industrial settings, such as power plants, chemical processing facilities, and manufacturing plants, where gas burners are essential. Now that we understand how it works, let's look at some benefits of using the Siemens SQM10 servo motor. One major advantage is its high accuracy in controlling gas flow. This means that it not only optimizes the combustion process but also ensures that energy is used efficiently, which can lead to cost savings over time. Additionally, its sturdy build and reliability mean that it requires minimal maintenance, reducing the chances of system downtime. In conclusion, the Siemens SQM10 servo motor is a powerful, reliable, and efficient solution for gas control in industrial burner systems. From its precise control capabilities to its robust German-made build quality, the SQM10 serves as a critical component in ensuring safe, efficient, and effective gas control. By optimizing fuel usage and ensuring a proper fuel-to-air ratio, it helps industries meet both their operational goals and safety standards. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into industrial technology. Feel free to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.